Hello everyone. Are you ready to dive into an interactive world through your Meta device? Here is the quick and easy guide to use the fotonVR app in your Meta device. Let's get started. First, power on your Meta device. You will see a user-friendly interface that makes navigation a breeze. You will see a panel that provides easy access to various features and applications. In that panel, click on the store icon. Search fotonVR. In the search bar of the store, you will see fotonVR app which looks like this. Click on the download button to download the app and click on start button to launch the app. You will also find the app in app library of your device. Upon opening up the app, you will see a screen for login. In that screen, click on the register button to create a new account. Enter the required details and click on sign up and you will return to the login screen. Enter the username and password you created during registration process. The username contains the email address that you used in registration. You will be greeted through welcome screen. Click on the start button to start your journey with fotonVR app. A panel will appear on the home screen of the app. This contains content menu. Click on the content menu to explore the curriculum page. Here you can choose the subject you want to explore. Click on the download button to download the activity. Once downloaded, click on the show activity to dive into the content. Enjoy your interactive learning experience with fotonVR. Thanks for watching.